big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Tired fi lick weed in a bush, tired fi lick pipe in a gully. We want to come out in the open.
Don't move, Ross. We hear say you have a big crocus bag of ganja under your bed.
Squad, I'm fine it. Look like it weigh about 50 pounds.
Hey, beggy, peggy, tip we have goodie.
I chew your chatty, me can't live in peace. Every little thing you run down to police. I chew your chatty, me can't live in peace.
Ross, how you so careless? I could find out with 50 pounds of ganja.
Squaddy, Sergeant, come.
Squaddy, what in the world Ross with now?
Sarge, you hold him with 25 pounds of ganja.
What? Sarge, Super, come.
Sergeant, what's happening here with the Ross? Nothing major, so we just hold him with a small spliff.